Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Trump's sweeping new tariffs take effect against dozens of countries. Good prospect of summit with Putin and Zelensky, Trump says. Trump-Modi ties hit rock bottom with new tariffs on India over Russian oil. 2 killed, 14 injured in South Waziristan remote-controlled blast. Let's look into details. US President Donald Trump's sweeping new tariffs on more than 90 countries around the world have come into effect just before the deadline for deals to be agreed to cut or avoid the important taxes. Trump posted on his Truth social media platform that billions of dollars were now flowing into the US due to tariffs. Earlier, the president hit India with a 50% tariff, which will take effect on 27 August unless it stops buying Russian oil. Trump also threatened a 100% tariff on foreign-made computer chips as he pushes tech firms to invest in the US. US President Donald Trump has said there is a good chance he would meet the Russian and Ukrainian leaders very soon for talks in person about ending the war in Ukraine. Speaking at the White House last night, Trump said he talks in Moscow between his envoy and Russian President Vladimir Putin that they had been highly productive. Asked whether Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky and Putin had agreed to such a summit, Trump said there was a very good prospect but didn't give further details. Trump intends to meet Putin in person as soon as next week, which would be followed by a three-way meeting between the leaders. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was one of the first world leaders to visit Washington weeks after US President Donald Trump started his second term. He called Modi his great friend as the two countries set an ambitious target of doubling their trade to $500 billion by 2030. But less than 6 months later, the relationship appears to have hit rock bottom. Trump has now imposed a total of 50% tariffs on goods imported from India, and his earlier threat of levying an extra 10% for the country's membership in the BRICS grouping, which includes China, Russia, and South Africa as founding members, still stands. At least 2 people were killed and 14 others were wounded when a remote-controlled blast occurred near a police van in the Vana Rustam Bazar area of Lower South Waziristan. Deputy Superintendent of Police Imran Ullah said on Thursday, with the police confirming that the injured include 2 police officers as well. DSP Imran has said that an emergency has been imposed in the district headquarters hospital, Vana. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.